University ya Kisii nigo litkuria rero yakora okuigwana no kurikairania ama yani okuigwana University ya Manchester elio gochia kurwa amegerio ya marwaire aria atari kwambokerana akorokwa non-communicable diseases ni gakorekana ase University ya Kisii litkuria rero no Saketo Daniel Ontiri agotumanya.
University ya Kisii nsi oburai waye Professor Nathan Ogechi nigo litkuria rero yatura epejinya asa mangana yobulingoria asa morwera tali kwambokera wetera asa kubwatirana ni University ya Manchester ime ya UK
on a partnership just to bring awareness on non-communicable diseases and the fact that they are neglected diseases that don't seem to get the discussion that they really deserve and even the funding, considering the areas that these diseases actually prevail in the areas of disruptions, displacements, and so we are coming up as a team, researchers, academia, practitioners, and figure out how can we address this further.
Asomorobolio yolengete ukini birengo bya masomo na mono asaborwa bagendrete na masomo ase skuru yo abatenere baiga nigo bamentabuna ukugania nkororo ugochakia esegi yokurwania amorora iga buna kansa borere wa diabetes epilepsy egati yayanda mange ase gutumika emetandao yekerero.
Kisii University plays an important role in this discussion because first we have declared our niche as University of Health, Sciences and Research, and number two, Kisii County is in the far-flung western side of the country, and as you can imagine, the remoteness or the ruralness in this region where we are located make us very susceptible to non-communicable diseases, and therefore this discussion is important, urgent for us as a county.
So what we are seeing about non-communicable diseases is the prevalence, especially in the areas where we work. It is not enough that we are speaking about refugees or people fleeing conflict or people who are faced with serious disease outbreaks. Then we are saying that at that point, those who are managing non-communicable diseases are predisposed to certain other elements, and that is why we are saying that it is important that we come together and have a discussion around this.
Aiga nigagocha chinga kebego university ga iroberetie obulingoria nubuweni babosa bakuwatirana nabubwatani bande au yorobeirie lituko lya Ijume ikeiga asensemo ya Nyamira nkuruboterege seni kya Getembe kuriga sti county ya Kisii literane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.